Most people who want to use AI to make money online are solving the wrong problem. They spend hours testing tools, watching tutorials, and downloading free guides, and then nothing happens. Not because the tools don't work, because they never got clear on how the tools connect to an actual income model. There's a gap between using AI and earning from it, and that gap is almost never about the technology. I've been on the wrong side of that gap, and what I want to do in this video is walk you through the approach that actually changed things, the smartest ways to use AI to generate real income online in 2026, even if you're starting with no experience, no audience, and no idea where to begin. When most people discover AI tools, the first question they ask is, which tool should I use? That's the wrong question. The right question is, what problem does someone have that I can solve? And how does AI help me deliver that solution faster or better than I could without it? AI is a production tool, not an income model. The income comes from what you build with it: content, services, products, or systems. The tools themselves don't pay you. What pays you is the value you create for someone else and how reliably you can deliver it. That distinction matters more than any specific tool you choose, and it's why two people can use the exact same tools and get completely different results. With that framing in mind, here are the approaches I think are genuinely worth your time in 2026. Approach 1. Content creation with affiliate revenue. This is what this channel is built on, so I'll be transparent about it. The model is straightforward. You create content around a topic, YouTube videos, blog posts, or short-form video, and you recommend tools or products you genuinely use. When someone signs up or purchases through your link, you earn a commission. You create the content once. The commissions can come in for months or years after. AI changes the production math here significantly. A script that used to take 3 or 4 hours to research and write can be drafted in a fraction of the time using an AI writing tool. A voiceover that would have required hiring talent or recording yourself can be produced in minutes with ElevenLabs. Video assembly that once required editing software and real skill can now be handled with a tool like InVideo AI. What took a full production team can now be handled by one person with a few subscriptions and a clear process. The barrier to consistent content creation has never been lower. The honest caveat: this model takes time to build. You won't earn commissions in week 1, and you probably won't in month 1 either. But the content you create compounds. A video posted today can generate clicks 6 months from now. That compounding is the core appeal, and it's also what makes it worth the patience. Approach 2. If you want income faster than content allows, freelance services are the more direct path. The idea is to use AI to deliver a service at higher volume or higher quality than you could manually, and charge for the output, not the time. Here's what that looks like in practice: copywriting and content writing. Businesses need blog posts, email sequences, product descriptions, and social media content constantly. AI helps you produce these faster. You're still adding the judgment, the editing, and the client communication. The AI handles the drafting. Video production for small businesses. Many local businesses want professional video content but have no idea how to produce it. A short explainer, a product showcase, a social media reel. With tools like InVideo AI, you can turn around polished video content at a pace that simply wasn't achievable a few years ago. Voiceover production. This one is counterintuitive, but there's genuine demand for AI voiceover as a service. Businesses that need narrated content, e-learning modules, or explainer videos will pay for someone who knows how to prompt and produce high-quality AI voice output. ElevenLabs has made this achievable for anyone willing to put in the time to learn the tool properly. The key with AI-assisted freelancing is that you're not hiding the AI. You're positioning yourself as someone who can deliver professional results efficiently. Clients pay for outcomes, not effort. AI lets you deliver better outcomes at a pace that wouldn't otherwise be possible. Approach 3. Digital products sit somewhere between content and services. You create something once and sell it repeatedly. Templates, guides, prompt packs, mini courses, spreadsheet tools, these are all things AI can help you produce significantly faster than you could from scratch. The quality ceiling for a well-produced digital product has also risen. AI helps you research more thoroughly, structure more clearly, and present more professionally than most people could manage manually. The honest reality with digital products is that creation is the easier half. Distribution is harder. You need either an audience to sell to or a platform that already has one, like Etsy for templates, Gumroad for guides, or Udemy for courses. If you're starting without an audience, I'd suggest pairing this approach with content creation. Build content to build the audience, then sell digital products to that audience over time. The two models reinforce each other well, and many of the most successful solo creators use exactly that combination. The title of this video says no experience needed, and I want to be precise about what that means because it's often used as a shorthand for no effort required, which is not what I'm saying. It means no prior technical skill is required to get started. You don't need to know how to code, how to edit video, how to design graphics, or how to write professional copy from scratch. The tools have lowered those entry barriers dramatically. In 24 and 25, this was already true, and in 2026, it's even more the case. What you do need is the willingness to learn the tools properly, the patience to build something before it pays off, and enough judgment to add genuine value on top of what AI produces. The people who are actually making money with AI aren't just hitting a button and publishing whatever comes out. They're using AI to handle the heavy lifting on production and then applying their own knowledge, perspective, and communication skills to make it worth something to another person. That combination, AI production plus human judgment, is the actual skill, and it's one that anyone can develop. It just takes reps. If I was starting from zero today, here's how I think about it. If you need income within the next few months, freelance services. Pick one deliverable you can produce with AI assistance. Find your first clients on Fiverr or Upwork and build from there. It's the fastest path from zero to your first dollar. If you're thinking longer term and want something that builds over time, content creation with affiliate revenue. Start one channel or one blog on a topic you understand well enough to talk about credibly. Publish consistently. The compounding kicks in slowly, then all at once. If you already have a small audience somewhere, digital products, you've already solved the hardest part, which is distribution. A simple guide or template that solves a real problem for your existing audience is absolutely worth testing. The worst move is trying all three at once. Pick one, go deep on it, let it produce results before you add anything else. Focus is the asset most people underestimate. Regardless of which approach you choose, there are a few tools that keep showing up. For writing, Claude. It's the tool I use for every script, every outline, every piece of written content on this channel. The quality of output depends heavily on how clearly you can describe what you need, but once you develop that skill, the speed gain is significant. For VoiceOver, 11 Labs. I've tested several AI voice tools and nothing else comes close for natural sounding output. The difference between a voice that sounds human and one that sounds synthetic matters more than most people realize. It's often what determines whether someone keeps watching or clicks off in the first 30 seconds. There's a link in the description if you want to try it. For video production in Video AI, it handles stock footage sourcing, scene assembly, and basic editing in one workflow. It's not perfect, and it won't replace a skilled human editor, but it removes the largest single production barrier for anyone starting out without video experience. Link in the description. If there's one thing I'd leave you with, it's this. The opportunity with AI right now isn't about finding a secret tool or a shortcut nobody else knows about. It's about being one of the people who actually build something with these tools, while most people are still just reading articles about the potential. The gap between knowing about AI and using AI to produce income is almost entirely execution. Pick your approach, start small, and stay consistent. If this was useful, subscribe. I post every week on AI tools and how to actually use them to build income online. The links to everything I mentioned are in the description below. I'll see you in the next one.